congratulations, traders. You broke a record. Thanks to a 1G project for getting that thing rolling, man. He gave me a proposition. If you ever hit 100 likes before I even hit that screen, then, you know, chug a beer. Now, we're not there yet, but we're making way. Whoa, what is going on with the lighting? This is crazy. But, yeah, man. We've got, it seems, 41 minutes until the East Coast witnesses Bitcoin's 10th year anniversary. Okay, midnight and stuff, right? You know, I think it makes sense because that's where the New York Stock Exchange is, right? Where all the craziness began, which pretty much started, you know, with the banks imploding, all that. It seems like the the hour that should be celebrated more than others, right? So, thanks so much for being here for episode 184, very special birthday edition of for Bitcoin. And it's not just any birthday; it is first time double digits. All right, I think that's pretty important. All right, so if you look at the chart, you'd never know, or you would never know in a million years that Bitcoin is growing up. All right. And pennant broke out, hit the measured move 62.14, so perfect, so perfect. Since then we've been retracing and we've just not been able to break above the 236 from the swing high to swing low, but at least we know this is probably the swing low. All right, we're looking for anything at this point would be beautiful, because we could have that bear pole bear flag combination. If we were to respect the measure move of the bear pole bear flag, we could see 6100 essentially at 6097, whatever, $3 off. I'll give you $3 there, man. Okay, so that's it. Not much action going on for Bitcoin's name day to be. All right, so
$10 for 10 years.
Moz, man. Thanks for $10, dude. $10 contribution. Monero in the jar, dude. Thanks so much, man. All right, man. You know, I'll do tomorrow. Maybe I'll just make every variation Bitcoin variations, just different sizes. Because tomorrow's like the technical birthday, right? This is like, you know, we're gonna celebrate that midnight, like a New Year's type thing, right? Because why not? Because either way, it's not like there's any advantage because it's the middle of the week, right? So, yeah, a few months, 10 years for the stock market uptrend. Yep, 10 years, the date for the stock market's lowest low of the global financial crisis, March 2nd, 2009. All right, that was the lowest low. That was the bottom. All right. So I already have an Alexia reminder. I have to say that because I don't want to trigger her. Okay, she is SJW. All right. So you know, we can look across the markets, man. Whatever. Sure. Okay. Got Ethereum top left, Litecoin top right, and Ripple bottom right. I was about to mess up, but I just went with it. With Ripple, we kind of broke out on no volume out of that equidistant channel. But hey, man, not a big deal because the volume's terrible. And we have bullish divergence in the parameters of this downsloping little consolidation pattern we had after the bullish impulse. Okay, so whatever, we'll talk about it more in a second on the big screen. Top right of your screen's Litecoin. Man, it seemed just so nice. Okay, with the left shoulder head, right shoulder, you know. It was a potential slanted inverse head and shoulders. Then we just kept going sideways, and then we lost all our confidence to believe that was so. Then we saw that descending triangle. We broke out of it bearishly, hit that measure move pretty much perfectly, and wicked to the upside. And now we're just forming a nice little flag. Nice little flag, like Bitcoin. Hey, Joel B, man. Thanks for the sub on Twitch, man. Jizz, man. Was that any kind of recurring? I don't know, man. Doesn't it show me? Dang, it didn't show me. What the heck? Go to my dashboard. No? What kind of stupid thing is Streamlabs, man? Recent events? Nice, man. Dude, thanks for the 3-month resub, dude. Thank you, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Keeping that streak alive. Haven't been on Twitch, but maybe 3, 4. Yeah, 3-4 months. 3 months, dude. I think you've been a sub ever since I started my Twitch channel, dude. Thank you, man. All right, much love. So, anyway, you know, Litecoin is owned by Bitcoin, pretty much, okay? There are no more Litecoin fanboys that exist out there, really, because the price action destroyed them. Like it destroyed Verge fanboys. It's essentially destroyed the Tron Connect mafia, okay? So that's price action pretty much dictates the meme culture of these coins. Top left is Ethereum. And that's a theory, by the way. That's a theory we're doing empirical studies on, okay? Joint studies with other people, too, okay? This community. Yeah, Ethereum broke out of that equidistant channel. Just can't find that low. Not respecting anything, right? We had this upsloping channel for like 3 weeks, and we broke out of it, tried to readjust. Man, just annoying. It probably just makes more sense to just keep the downtrend stuff going, because that's all Ethereum likes doing. All right, still somehow making higher lows than your previous lows, but we've seen that before on Ethereum. Bottom left of your screen is Bitcoin Cash, and we're back to those September, early to mid-September lows. Yeah, holding support there. I don't know, man. Are we showing any divergence? Really? Hey, Jeff, man. Jeff Ground, I know you, dude. I remember when you didn't work for the Russians, man. I remember those days, dude. Thanks, man, for the Twitch Prime sub. Yeah, that's it. No. It is. It is. Okay, that is it. Okay. Because I used to say Twitch subprime all the time because of subprime loans. But thanks, dude. Much love, dude. Tell Emily to go ahead and get Go Nuts, okay, on Amazon. All right, man. But you know, Bitcoin Cash, it just sucks, man. We hit this pinnacle, descending triangle, hit the measure move, broke to the upside a little bit. Almost looks like we formed another descending triangle, and we broke that too. Just no demand on this market. You're just gonna find it on these lower volume S coins for the most part. That's fine. That's no big problem. No big deal. But the larger market cap coins, just very little demand, as you can see with the price action. Okay, let's take a look at chat. All right, and Jeremy Ragsdale decided to become the martyr and become the boss because he might get destroyed. All right. So about Cod for Crypto. Main screen bonfire, well fueled. That's right, man.
Four strength, 4 stom leather belt, level 18.
Dude, you should try to make her or manipulate her to say Yeah, watch that clip again, man. It's just so funny, dude. That guy gets trolled so hard because it's like that mid-2000s to where trolling isn't really meta yet. It's kind of like no one gets trolling so much. It might have just been used as other words. It might not have been trolling. It was just kind of like, this guy's like harassing me, man. Yeah, because it was called ventrilo harassment. That was what it was. You can search ventrilo harassment, right? If it was made today, it'd be ventrilo trolling. But who uses vent anymore? Thanks, man, for the $25 contribution. Much love. And happy birthday, Bitcoin, in T-minus 33 minutes for the East Coast. Right. Thanks again, Rob. Hey, Earth, y'all. Jamie Cadrona, man. Win Pinto beans. Okay. April Fool's joke on Halloween. Chrisiden, that's right. All your base are belong to us. Exactly, dude. Okay. I'm behind, but I'm gonna get through this, okay? I'm gonna get through this chat. Don't want to miss it. Oh, it feels so good!
Uh-oh.
Aww. We need to work on that. We need to figure out. We need to manipulate this TTS. Figure it out, man. It almost sounds like uh-oh. Thanks, Remlaw, for the 50, man. Much love, dude. Thank you, dude. Let's get that crypto, Seth Jocelyn. That's right, man. Let's get it. All right. Kang Logan. Oh, let's just go ahead and play Jesus Chimes. Pay respects to everybody. Pause the music. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and the sounds of the TA while Bitcoin, no matter what you do, will turn 10 very soon. So, Phil Cinchira, all-time highs. I think we hit 53 before I finally said okay. So that means, think about it like that though. That was a decent amount of time I was not there. You know, stalling for y'all. I was stalling. Probes will love that shit. I was stalling. Okay. I was not Russian. Okay. How can you be stalling and Russian at the same time? Okay. So dumb. Spirit bomb for Bitcoin is being formed as we speak. We might consume ourselves before we become ultra instinct, David Holler. Okay, remember that. Yeah, no, so Adam, the timer is for my time zone. I don't know why Stream Elements picked mine up. I didn't even think about that. So for me, Bitcoin does turn, you know, 10 years old in an hour and 30 minutes, but 30 minutes for the East Coast, all right? And again, that's like where the New York Stock Exchange is. My God, just trying to get through this. So, local dinosaur, man. Glad you made it. It's been a while, Joe. That's right, Remlog. It sure has for old Joe, man. So about Derek, yeah, we'll be looking at XRP, of course, man. Where do you tip, Seth Jocelyn? In the description below, there are links. Okay, whether you want to tip cryptocurrency or fiat. Give you your 10 fingers. Ugh, that does sound weird. Joseph, man, get wrecked. Gotta look at Vivix deal. Sure, man, I'll look some Vivix, man. Okay. On the list. Is Neo done? Yeah, dude, it's done forever. You're screwed, dude. Okay, is that what you're asking? Hey, Gaming Crypto. Stuart H, man. Can we please watch TV? Yeah, we're watching TV Trading View right now. Stuart, okay. Hey, Mark Lane. What's up, Lucas, man? God, man. These coins y'all are asking about. What in the... Oh, it's been so long since we've looked at it. Yeah, we can look at it. It looks okay. It looks pretty good right now. Yeah, A and B. Why is it so hot in here? Hold on a sec.
Logan Kang deleted my fake book scam link. Somebody send me 0.3 ETH.
What the heck? Was that you, Greg? Hold on. Greg Morgan, thanks for the $6.40 of Bitcoin. He says, Logan Kang deleted my fake book scam link. Somebody send me 3 Ethereum. All right, Greg, I'm gonna send it over right now. Okay, man, can you post your address, man? Thanks. We'll send it your way immediately. Joel says C4C. That's right, dude. Looks like it's flagging. And I thought Bat was forming that falling wedge pattern, Mark Lane. I can put Bat on the list. Yeah, Phil, we got Bat on the list. We're good. Everyone, Bat. The Ron Connect Mafia will never die. Oh, it's Ron Connect, Stuart, man. Joint studies, dude. Hey, Magic, joint studies?
Is that a joint?
Oh my God. Leave Tron alone. Leave Brittany alone. That's right. What's up, Cody Petit, man? So we have Eddie Bettit, and then we have Cody Petit. Not to be confused with Eddie Petit and Cody Petit.
Thanks for keeping TA alive, man. Twitter and Baba, please.
Oh, it feels so good! Hey, Anon, thanks for the 690 pennies. Super sexual. Yeah. Oh, poor Baba, man. Poor Baba, but you were warned. You were warned months ago about Baba. Exhaustion pattern. Huge exhaustion pattern. Too much run up. Too much of run. The Chronicles of Ridiculousness. King Logan. That's right, man. Oh, CCCP, man. Niet. You've been briefed regarding Jeff Oslowski. Grouse. Grouse. Oh my god, dude. This is ridiculous, man. Oh, man. I'm almost through chat. Almost made it, man. Almost made it. Everyone's like, get Mitch, get to the TA. You only did like 27 plus charts in the day stream marathon. You only went 4 hours, man. Screw you, Ray. Screw you, Ray.
Thanks for your entertaining channel.
Winston Alexander, man. Thanks for the 1337, the elite contribution, man. Thanks so much, dude. Much love and thank you, dude. Hey, look at Jeremy's live, man. Jeremy's final form, dude. Oh my god. Thanks again, Winston, man. Seriously, thank you, dude. Mr. Chapper, man.
Can you look at my chart on Discord and critic it when we drink? Thanks.
Where, hold on. Hold on. Let me, oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't see that. Because you know why? Because I have my PC up while I'm downstairs, and it doesn't give me notifications because everything's open. Let's see. Okay, Mr. Shaffer, man. Are you looking at DGD to BTC? Well, yeah, we are swinging to the upside some, but it might just be time for a retrace, right? So you want to look at DGD, man? Mr. Shaffer, man, we can look at that right after Baba. How about that? And then we'll put what you got to the test. How about that, man? Yeah, ascending broadening wedge, maybe. Maybe. Very small pattern, though. The smaller the patterns, the smaller amount of time that they developed, the less reliable they might be. Okay. But hey, man, we saw it with Neo. It worked out perfectly with Neo. It's ascending broadening wedge, the small one. So we'll look at it, dude. Okay. And dude, thanks so much for the 989 of Ethereum. Interesting. Ethereum. I thought you were a Bitcoin man, Mr. Shaffer, man. Hey, Damien. Dill899. You miss Ventrilo? Get wrecked, dude. Hey, True Stoner, man. He's here, man.
I'm here now.
If you want to do this, man, I'm just saying, every time I hear Jesus chime, man, I'm just taking a sip, man. Okay. And I'm already at a disadvantage, bad. And now Jordan G is the boss. Get wrecked. Thank you, dude. Stop stalling and get on with the show. Ravencoin, okay. Winston, man, we'll put Ravencoin on the list. We'll actually look at that after Baba, and then we'll look at DGD after that, just because you that contribution. Trying to keep it, you know, good order and stuff like that, right? See a pump, Mr. Korea, man? Possibly. Yeah, we were looking at it earlier, and it had broken down a lot, but it was so close. It was right at that critical support level, up-sloping support that trend had been in, right?
I feel so good!
Oh my god, Emily.
Hi, Mitch. I see what Jeff is typing to Logan. He is not slick.
I'm trying to get through this. Emily, thank you so much for the 5958. Much love. Did Probst or did Jeff tell you about him being able to get all these deals on Amazon? Then he said you had free reign to shop as much as you wanted on Amazon now. What is he trying to say? I see him speaking in Sputnik, but I don't see much English. Okay, because he is, you know, a Russian spy. All right. Thanks again, Emily, and I hope everything's going well. You know, that 9-month process. You got this. You got this. TA the S side of these charts, Local Dinosaur Man. Oh my god. TA lit, Moises Soto. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. All right. So Roberto Santiago, man. Cryptonomic console. Happy birthday, Bitcoin, indeed. We Scrubby We Power. What is We Power? I don't think that's even. Oh my god. WPR. Oh, we already looked at this and it was beautiful. Gosh dang it, man. Yeah, we can. It's not so scrubby, man. It's not so scrubby on the chart. Anyway, the Binance chart, man, it's beautiful. I'm kind of disappointed that. Well, I actually love how it's playing out. Whatever. My God, y'all are crazy. Affirmative, all clear. Commence operation. TA Russian probes intercept. What is this? This is a new thing. Philip wants link. Okay, Philip, man, link on the list. I got you, dude. I got you, man. Okay, oh, I made it. I made it. All right, Bear Bull Bear Flag on Bitcoin's 10-year anniversary or birthday. All right, let's go to just repel. Okay, because no one has ever in the past 4 months objected to me skipping Ethereum. Okay, no one. Come at me, because guess what? If you object to me skipping Ethereum, you're gonna be dealing with the entire community that doesn't care. Okay, they're gonna be like, we don't care, man. Our time's limited. We don't care about S coins. All right, so Ripple. We had the downtrend. We had the downtrend from February. We broke out of it, and now here we are, kind of just crapping out on no volume outside of the new little uptrend. That's okay though, not a big deal.
No, he did not. I will get right on that though.
Emily, thanks for the $20. That Jesus lady. Yeah, he was just telling me, he was just hooting and hollering about all the Amazon deals going on for stuff. Okay, Russian stuff. So be sure to pick up the Russian things that you need. Okay, today, because Mr. Putin seems is okay with that. All right. Awesome. Thanks again. From the swing low to swing high of the impulse up, though it's a lower high, the impulse up, we've retraced 61.8% of the way. Okay. And that's a common retrace, right? So, you know, you don't want to really fall below this 43.9 cent range. Otherwise, you probably could just be coming down to 41 cents. All right, 41 cents. And that's, you know, while we have our downsloping channel, is what it's another downsloping support. We'll see if that bounces and holds. Okay. But this thing could just keep bleeding out as long as it wants to, but just understand, until you fall back down into this nasty channel, you're fine. Okay, you are fine for now. What's this music, man? Freaking me out a little. Oh yeah, let's dribble. Okay, let's go to Twitter. Well, looks like that bear flag played out pretty perfectly. Holy crap, man. Alright, bear flag. Don't think you get the measure move though. Maybe you did. I mean, the gap, does the gap count? Nice round out we had, but we were in a nice uptrend, right? Nice uptrend, and then we broke it. Okay, we broke it. Earnings miss, and let's see. That's crazy, man. Huge spike in negative momentum, and then we're running up, making lower. Well, it's just convergence. Okay, I get it. Should we do it from the top side? Equidistant channel might be really good here, honestly. Look at the daily. Yeah. Interesting. Right, so just imagine that being one large red candle, right? That gap down. I don't know if that's a breakaway gap or not, but currently we're not making higher highs than our previous highs, so don't get into your hopes up. One could also argue that this is going on, okay? Including everything. That would make a lot of sense, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. And that's why I think equidistant channel would be great. But look, you're breaking the heart line right now, but you do have that down sloping resistance, okay, on Twitter. So just like everything else for the most point, it's all in downtrends right now. Okay. And here, if you want me to, I'll just do it for you. Hey, Andy, the Twitch Jesus Lady, thank you so much for the sub on Twitch. Much love. Rumlog, thanks for the gifting that sub. It's Andy. Much love. Y'all are amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that heart line. Respect. So good. And then you see the 25% resistance, and then we break down, then we gap up, right? So you just had a daily death cross on October 1st. It's not long ago, man. So this downtrend could continue on for some time. Just understand, we could keep on upsloping all we want, but you know what we're going to do. We're going to fib, and we're going to know where we are, and it's going to be a scrub retrace. Yep, here's your scrubby 382 retrace that we actually wicked off of today. You see it perfectly. So we've now already hit our common retrace zone between the 382 and the 618. So it wouldn't be weird for us to run between 34.58 and 39.65 before breaking down to lower prices, okay? So that's it, man. A downtrend is going on right now on Twitter, and there's nothing you can do about it. Embrace it, okay? Embrace the devastation of Twitter. All right, cool. Hope that helps. Whew. Hey man, look at that support right there in that 25%. Wow, beautiful. Gotta love it, dude. Okay, there's Twitter. Let's go to Baba. Alibaba got wrecked really bad. Yeah, really bad wreckage. And look where we are. We're the 618. Swing low to swing high, all the way up here. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Hey Emily.
Uh-oh. Getting shouted out. 888 gang. I just saw what Emily said. 4 words, half alimony, child support, love you. Oh my god, dude. Dude, that's like, that's dirty. Alright, hold on, let me get this. But look, man, alright, Baba had that nice run up. Then we had that, those two diverging, sloping trend lines, exhaustion. The exhaustion set in, and then we were unable to touch that top trend line again, right? Got wrecked.
Thanks, Mitch. Can we scope out QSP and Derpo? Really enjoy your channel. Always great tunes.
Hey, he said Jocelyn, man, thanks for the $5 contribution. Remember, if you're gonna tip fiat, the best way to do it's with Stream Elements, just because that won't happen, right? But dude, thank you for the kind words about the channel and the tunes. And yeah, we'll take a look at Poe. No Mo. Okay, Poe's been doing okay, I believe. I remember I charted everything under the sun this week. Okay, we've had a real big influx of Beanie Baby requests. All right, I got you, dude. And then King Logan, of course. No, Zachary. I saw the 888. I couldn't see it. The 888. Okay, Zachary was disguising himself as King Logan, but it ended up being him. So look at Emily. Emily is the boss right now. Oh my god. Who will take down Emily? Awesome, y'all. That's not really fitting. That fits though. Okay, so I'm choosing anchor point 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4 on the top.
Hey come join us on stream, Emily.
Wait, is M and Emily, are they different peoples? Let us know. Thanks so much, Undercover Probes. Did we have 3 888s in a row? My god, see, this would have been a perfect time if we had that 888 emoji ball set up, man. God, so close. Alright, There you go. You just got Baba showing some bullish divergence. Okay, a little on the daily from this low, beginning of the channel to now. But here's the funny thing. We broke down again, right? Yesterday. But here's the thing again with this. You got another form of bullish divergence, okay? You know, you make a lower low than your previous low, barely, and you make extremely lower levels of negative momentum. And guess what? Oh. Hey man, now you're making RSI bullish divergence. What are you doing? You're making... I mean, we talked about in the day stream today. Remember when you see the MACD showing all that bullish divergence, you keep making lower prices, you keep making more and more tiers of it, and then all of a sudden, towards the end, at critical areas of support, that 618 Fibonacci, we're now showing RSI bullish divergence coinciding with the MACD bullish divergence at the 618. Those are coinciding variables. Now here's the thing, are you going to fill this gap? Because you're so close to it, 126.28. Why would you not fill the gap? How crazy would it be if you didn't fill this gap, man? Not to be sexual, okay? That's why we've had it charted there. We've had that thing there forever, okay? When we were talking with, we were still inside the pattern when we charted this horizontal line support. So you might get one more move down to fill it and then break to the upside, or you might not ever, okay? But I'm just telling you, you do have impending price action reversal to the upside after making a beautiful common retrace. Yeah, 382 and 618, between the 382 and 618. This is it, man. This is where you retrace your last common area, okay? It might go a little lower to fill the gap, but man, you might be due for a break to the upside soon. Just to retrace. You're most likely what you're going to do is, this is it, man. You're probably just going to do this. You're just going to break the upside, make a lower high than your previous high, and then break down again, maybe, okay? Nice on Baba. Let's go to Raven. Oh, I can't believe someone was like, we're pumping, man, we're pumping. Are we pumping, man? You mean we're hitting the top? We're hitting the top trend line of a downsloping channel. Is that what you're talking about? The pump? Wicking off the 20 MA on the 4 hour? That's not a pump to me. Just holding on to this negative momentum, not good. Bearish on the RSI. Out of that uptrend we were in. Nothing crazy pumpy about this. My God, man. Stop getting so excited about nothing. Alright. Significant timescales prevent you from caring about scrubby, insignificant little pumps. Okay. Emily, we both win. That's right. I'm just behind on chat. Okay. Sup, Zuko's, man. Yeah, Rick turned it around. So are you Bitcoin's son if your birthday is November 1st? Are you... I don't understand how you can be... Matt, are you 10 years old or less? Because that's the only way you can be Bitcoin's son, right? Because Bitcoin's only turning 10 years old. So let us know, man. Oh my God, we have 9 minutes until the big ball drop. Emoji ball drop. Okay, man. $99 balloons, what happened? Did we do it, man? Did we freaking do it? We did it, man. We did it. Boom. Fireworks. Excelente. Excelente. Thank you, Christendon. It looks like it. Yeah, I'm just behind. You know how it is. I gotta do these charts, and then I engage, and then I'm always behind, right? It's just hard to keep up. We need a balloon overlay. Mr. Shaffer, man. Hold on a second. Let me see what I can do, dude. Okay. Let me see what I can do, Mr. Shaffer, man. All these balloons don't look like balloons. They look like something gross, okay? That is microscopic, so not really good. None of this works, man. None of this works. These all suck, dude. Okay.
Yach, can you please do CRBP? I know you said you did an earlier stream, but I couldn't find it and I watched the stream twice. Yeti get bad reception inside of mountain. Yeti climb tree with iPad now, much better. Thank you Human Mitch. Yeti out.
Yes, yes. Mr. Yeti, man, of course. We'll look at CRBP for you again, man. Thanks for the 369. Super sexual. Okay, man. You see that default emoji ball in the jar? Soon that'll be dead. Okay, hopefully by tomorrow it'll be replaced with XRP. Yes. I don't know, Miss Shaver, man. All these stickers suck, dude. These PNGs. Those look so bad, dude. It's like someone was like, yeah, I'm gonna use all the balloons. I'll make all of them and they all suck. Okay. How about celebration though? We got 7 minutes. I got y'all. Okay. I don't know, man. Ooh, that looks cool. Right? I don't know, dude. This Shadow Man, I just don't have time. Party 1. Okay. I'll add it as soon as we hit that beautiful birthday. Alright, soon. Okay, Raven. Screwed. Wicking off. Lower highs than your previous highs. Lower lows than your previous lows. Very, very, very slight bullish divergence, right? Right. You got this low. Got the lower levels of negative momentum at the 50% retrace. This is where you're bouncing, but you're not. You are failing miserably. You could be very well seeing lower prices. See 539, okay? 539 or right here. Candle body high close on the 4 hour down at 514, okay? Because there's no more support here. You're correcting, and there's no support, okay? So you only got one fib. That's it, and you're struggling, and it's scrubby volume, scrubby everything. The volume's gone. This thing's gonna keep bleeding out probably for now. All right. Digital, man. This one was like really interesting. I was struggling a little bit on its top trend line of the large equidistant channel. Okay, bear with me. Okay, I know it's a lot, man. I know it's a lot to take in. You got, first off, if we want to zoom out, we got one nasty downtrend that's been going on forever. It's been going on since February 28th, man. Remember here when Bitcoin was like crashing and everyone's like, oh my god, man, DGD is gonna replace Bitcoin, man. You don't even get it, man. Okay, we had like cult people coming in for like 2 weeks. For 2 weeks, there were people that were literally like being cultish on DGD, thinking it was gonna replace Bitcoin. It's like, dude, that's not how it works. Okay, you don't just randomly emerge like that and replace Bitcoin while it's crashing, right? So anyway, 9 months later, here we are. We formed this falling wedge pattern. We broke out of it, and we're just up sloping, but slightly, methodically, not really doing much. Just higher lows, near the bottom of that channel. Remember, you're not out of the woods yet at all of the downtrend you've been in for so freaking long. Okay. Look left though. Very, very nice supports. Look where we went, man. We went back to early December. Dude, I'm sorry. This song's like pretty trash, so. Alright, that's better. Sometimes you just get one trash song every now and then. Alright, so yeah, making higher lows. Not really making higher highs anymore than your previous highs, right? You double topped here and just couldn't make anything out of it, okay? So, I guess to make people less confused, there you go. That'd make more sense. We could just do a standard. Yeah, Mr. Shaver, man, there you go, dude. This is what you're talking about. I know it is, right? That ascending broadening wedge, right, man? Yep, somewhat. Absolutely. You got those diverging, upsloping trend lines. Yes. Okay. Trying to make these different color. Just, you get overwhelmed with different colors, so gotta keep it a little contrasting. So yeah, Miss Shabberman, yeah, ascending, broadening wedge. Yes. And nothing really bullish about it, man. Okay. But hey, it is nice that you're finding support down here. That's great. Okay. But to the extent of how far we retrace is unknown. I'll tell you, if you can break out of this channel, man, and the overall market does well, this thing could run like crazy. But guess what, man? DGD, all the other ones are gonna break to the upside too, most likely. Okay, so nothing special about this at all. You think there's something special about DGD? You're wrong. Okay, this is just another S coin on the S coin market. All right, that pumped in February and has done absolutely nothing since then. Okay, so who cares? It's DGD. Yeah, you're right though. Ascending, broadening was to Jesus, man. Okay, your local on the 8s. I'm gonna get a beer before we have literally, wow, 45 seconds. 45 seconds. You're gonna be here with us. This will never happen again before Bitcoin hits 10 years old. Okay, you're gonna be here live in this chat when this happens. Hold on, getting this beer. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. Bitcoin is now pretty much 10 years old. Happy birthday, Satoshi Nakamoto. Your brilliant, brilliant invention that has brought us all together. Or we may have never met. For that, we're grateful. Thanks, Mr. Nakamoto. Thanks. Okay, I can turn off the party right now. Look at it. Looks really sweet though, man. This is super awesome effect right here, isn't it? Let me know if it's if there's a good one or not. I don't know, man. What do I even do, dude? What do I do? Okay. I don't know. Didn't get much feedback. Okay, I guess let's turn it off. I don't know. I don't think people saw that. All right. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Okay, Bitcoin. For candle, another one closed. We just had nothing happen for 4 hours. Awesome. Lot of action. Trying to get back to neutral on the MACD. Staying. You just got out of oversold territory. This is exactly what you do on your oscillators when you're setting up for lower prices. This is it. Unless, Bitfinex Tether news, man. Pretty much just like doing what we were doing before. Okay. Guys, Bcash is the real Bitcoin. Yeah, man. Totally. I do whatever I want. Is that what I do? RF Dusty, man? I don't know, man. Don't want to piss people off, okay? We did it, man. We freaking did it. All right, Emily. Much love. Looking forward to the big day in the coming months. Okay, you're amazing. We love you. Okay. that was fun. That was fun, y'all. Getting to celebrate that with y'all was quite the honor. Very, very proud to be a part of with y'all. Okay, thank y'all for being here. All 171 of y'all, the masses that have come in for the breaks of the upside downside. They're not so much into the, I don't know, the symbolism of the 10 years, the double digits. All right. Anyway, look on the 8s. Okay, man. Ripple. Sorry, not doing anything. Nothing. Quint screen. Fine. Quint screen makes it real easy. Nothing's doing anything. Nothing's doing anything. Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash. It did nothing last hour. From the last hour. Okay, that's your local on the 8s. Sponsored by your butt. Okay. Let's go to Po, No, Mo. Oh yeah, the broadening bottom. That's right. You just got this crazy broadening bottom. Now, of course, yeah, we do have an uptrend going on. No one's going to deny that, all right? But you do have just two diverging trend lines. One's up sloping, one's down sloping. Okay. And here we are. Bearish divergence of both oscillators, and we just broke out of a beautiful, beautiful downtrend. Well, we're trying to anyway. We're right there, barely doing it. Had a golden cross on Po on the 16th of October. But man, this is such a well-respected downtrend, and we're trying to get out of it right now with this up-sloping resistance that is very, very strong. Okay, that's it. That's it, man. That's Po for ye. Mr. Jocelyn. Okay. That's it, dude. Alright, there's your whatever. Okay. Look, man, I'll tell you what I like this. Swing high to swing low. If we were able to break these areas of resistance that are so powerful, all of them, the upper trend line of the broadening bottom, the downsloping resistance of our equidistant channel, and the 236, if we can break that, your targets, here you go. Between 267 365, the measure move of this pattern of this broadening bottom is 322 sats. We broke to the upside, okay? That's it. There are your targets up here if this was to be able to break, but going long now, it's higher risk, right? Always better at the bottom, but hey man, it's tough finding the bottom on these. Okay, so still in a downtrend. You're not making higher highs in your previous highs. There is no bullish trend you're in right now. Okay, if it is, it's a very, very short-term trend in an overall downtrend. Okay, and remember, don't ignore bearish divergence on both oscillators. You can, but good luck. Good luck. Whew. Beer up mode, Kristen. That's right. Or it's a Christian. There's no H, so. Happy birthday, Bitcoin, indeed. 100 times long on Bitcoin now. Crypto profits, yeah, man, all in. Let it be for the record, the capos were stated. Okay. Where is the king, man? Matt Shaverman, you're all kings tonight. All right. More lights? Is that your? What do you mean more lights? Is this not enough lights for you? If y'all want me to, I can throw on party mode lights. If y'all want me to throw on party mode lights, 1 for yes, 2 for no. Go. If you want power to be remaining in your hands, press 2. If you want party lights, press 1. Alright? Dude, you missed the ball drop by 5 to 10 seconds. Mr. Kanatomo, I can't believe you, dude. And you'll never get it back. 10 years only happens once in a lifetime, okay? Because you'll be at 20 years in 10 years, and it's not 10 again. Just party with y'all, Matt Shaverman. Okay, man. Help me party, dude. Party hard if you have your respective drink. I understand it's a work night, school night, whatever. So, you know, but it is Bitcoin's birthday. So, Apollo coin, the real Bitcoin. Yeah, man, yeah. Through March to midnight on the West Coast. So that might be the actual apocalypse, Mr. Cantonment. Maybe so, dude. We'll see. We will see. Yes, sir, said Jocelyn. Anytime, man. Okay. Where can you get some Irwin coffee, Crypto Cracker? Go to irwin.coffee. That's it. Irwin, literally, .coffee. The simple thing in the world. You'd like to use the beer method instead of the measured principle? I don't know, man. Measured principle is pretty good, but the beer method might be good too, Mr. Schaffer. You're right. Party mode. Okay, party mode. One. Okay, Probes wants it. Okay, man. Hold on. Let me see what I can do. I've never done this on these. Okay, hold on a second. Let me see here. Let me put my reading glasses on. Oh my god. Let me just turn the music up for a second while I do this. Good.
I've been wayside for years now, but no one seems to care. Their eyes on a distant horizon. I drove them out of here. I gave you the American dream.
Ooh, American Dream. Love it, man.
But you left me bleeding. So listen to my prayer.
What the heck? Where are the things, man? I don't understand. Oh, I got it. I found it. Oh, of course it's gonna be like that. Of course it's gonna be so super scrubby like that where it doesn't have party lights like iLumi. Tropical Twilight? What is that? Party? I'm making one. I'm gonna try to make one of it. Dude, are you kidding me? I gotta Google this. Hold on.
You can break my heart and crush my dreams, but you can never take my soul. You can crack my stones and melt my steel.
I don't know if my Alexia is hooked up though. Stop saying that. What is this guy doing? Yes, disco mode, yes. Continue to Google? Dude, oh my god. Are we serious? Trying to log in. I don't even know, man. You can't find an account with these credentials. Oh my god. Okay, I'm actually doing this on the fly. Oh, I'm pushing the hue button.
Truth about Halloween is it is trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Matt Shower, man. I don't think anyone's ever tipped $3.99, dude. You've done it, man. Oh, man. I'm about to have the party lights, dude. This is literally how I have to do this, man. Here we go. Should be happening soon. Party time. Turning on. Come on, baby. Come on. 3, 2, 1. No. My applet is active. No, it's not. I don't want iLumi, dude. What? it's not working. Oh my god, dude. What a joke, man. How broken is this? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get this to work for y'all, okay? I'm doing all I can. I guess I'm screwed, man. Dang it, man. Sorry, I don't know. I didn't know it was gonna be so stupid, okay, man? I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I thought I could do this. It says it works. I did everything right and it says it works. Okay. So, don't get mad at me. Get it mad at this IFT crap. IFTTT crap. Anyway, we'll move on. Okay, move on to CRBP. CRBP, falling wedge. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Look what we've done. Oh, we're looking on the daily. That's right. Yes, yes. Okay, that's right. Yeah. Okay, so swing high to swing low. We ran up, hit the 618. But not only do we hit the 618, we hit the 75% trend line of our equidistant channel. Ow. Cover crypto, why? Why must you do that? Send the cryptocurrencies with instructions. Okay, man. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, y'all are doing a party yourself. Okay. I wonder if it's because I have Lumia up. Huh. That y'all might be overriding this widget. Interesting. Maybe I should hit that. See if we can change that. I'm not sure that what were y'all talking about. Probably making fun of me. I'm not trying to get this set up. Coach K, the Ultra Instinct Jesus Man's here. Thanks for being here, Coach K, man. So Mike, 68, welcome, dude. Welcome back. My music's loud. Holy crap. Sorry. Forgot to turn it down. I guess no one cares that it was too loud. Because the music's pretty freaking good, man. Pretty freaking good. GT MKIV, I have no idea, man. Okay. How is the music so good, Mr. Kantomo? Get wrecked, dude. What's the name of the song? Y'all get Shazam. Shazam on your phones, and you'll never have to ask me again for anything, okay? About music, okay? What is Gold Digger mode, Rimlog? What does that even mean? Oh, you have salve, man? I remember orcs would use salve in Warcraft to heal themselves. But if you hit them, then they would lose that heal ability. The healing would stop on them. Okay, so slow heal over time. A hot. Yeah, troubleshooting steps where I'm unable to connect to my Hue service. It seems like it's connected. It's acting like it's connected. Fine. Am I logged into the Hue app? On my phone, yeah. But not on my, I don't even think I have the desktop app. Okay. It's weird. Yeah, of course. Yeah, and I had to actually hit my Hue button to connect it to my IFTTT. Yep, song is Darude Sandstorm. Yes. Can someone link him the, what is it called? Not Javated song, the Rickroll song. Do. Oh my god. The music has gotten better and better. You love it, Miss Kentoma? Excellent, man. Excellent. One-man army? What happened? One-man army. What if the first minute past Bitcoin turns 10, that 30 billion just throttles in the market like it was New Year's Eve or something? No freaking way, man. Just not gonna happen. But never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. never gonna turn around and hurt you, okay? Pundia at 27. What? Pundia coin? Okay, so anyway, CRBP, Mr. Yeti, the falling wedge. You know, regardless of the wedge, I think you did make the measure move pretty easy, but you could just fib it because of the weirdness of it. And the fib from the swing high to swing low, your common retrace. Remember when you retrace to the upside? Here you are. This is it. This is it, man, right? So we hit those areas, those targets were hit. And for a falling wedge, 50% in 618. Here you are. Here you are, dude. And we went a little bit higher. And what were we unable to break when we got so stupidly high, so fast? That 75% trend line prevented us from going any further, right? So that's it on Corvus Pharmaceutical Holdings, all right? Why did we break down? We could zoom in some and try to see. Ooh, this looks like almost head and shoulder crap, right? Ooh. Look, man, impulse up. This crap right here, man. Oh, this is just... It's like you're holding this... all this crap up with this... Dude, it's just almost like gravity, man. Thing could just break down. Lower high than your previous high. But why do we break? We did have bear... Like, on the way up... Got that bearish divergence. You had ever so slight bearish divergence in the MACD too. It was very hard to kind of see, but it was there. Okay, it's definitely there. So now you're making lower lows than your previous lows with higher levels of negative momentum. You're getting a golden cross right now on the daily. But remember what's going on. You are in a downtrend for now, even if it is just slightly down sloping. It's lower highs than your previous highs, lower high than your previous high. You know, around the same over here, okay, with a wicks higher. So I hope that helps Mr. Yeti Man, simple Yeti Man, coming in from his cave. Should you go buy a couple beers for the celebration? It's 3 in the afternoon and Halloween here. Crypto Aussie man, hey man, that's your choice always, dude. But I'm definitely celebrating throughout today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, this is the pre-game for tomorrow, man. This is the pre-game and run-up to the Halloween party, dude, which is going to be far more lit than the Bitcoin birthday party. But it's the same thing. You know, we just been celebrating a little early, starting early, right? Starting at the beginning of Bitcoin's birthday. We're going to party all throughout it. The Get Wrecked party, Eren. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. You got it, dude. You got it. Bull flag? I don't know, man. I don't think so. No. You are not down sloping in your consolidation, right? Not really. Look. Because you're kind of just... I mean... I don't think so. I don't think so at all. I think you... Huge run at the upside. You retraced. You ran up again. Higher than your previous high. You broke down. You ran up, failed to rally. Lower high than your previous high. Up. You could think it's that. I get it. It doesn't look like one to me, man. We could try, but look, man. That's kind of cherry picking this stuff. Right? I don't know, man. Look, what is this? Right here. You don't want to disregard that. Normally, those bull pulls, you know, when you want to have them straight and then you start consolidating immediately. You don't want to break down and then run up to a higher price. Almost just looks like some sort of scuffed looking head and shoulders pattern, right? You're holding the same support. There's a wick right here and now a wick right here. Almost looks like a neckline, right? Of some sort. But hey, man, I could be wrong, but dude, again, you're in a downtrend right now. In a downtrend, making lower highs, you realize extreme run up. And could very well just break down. Okay, so it just doesn't look like a very good flag to me. No. Not to be weird, I'm just saying. pulling out some coins from the woodworks. I thought, like, I just feel like, man, I'll get them all. I'll get them all at one point, and then nope, I never get them all. I never get all of them. Like, I'm talking about charts I haven't looked at in months. They keep coming and being recycled, and it's like I keep redoing them, and then just new ones keep coming every day. Like, oh my god. Why is it so hot here, man? It's so hot. We gotta put dent on the list, Mandy, okay? Make sure I have the right chart. Yes, okay. Vivix. Oh, nice. Nice on Vivix, man. Well, you've been in an uptrend since September. Hey, man, take a look. Take a look at your beautiful downtrend you've been in for oh so long. Okay, you've been in this downtrend since, holy crap, April 20th.
Is that a joint?
No, it's Vivix. But hey, man, either way, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. You're just now trying to break out. Trying so hard to break out, man. Okay. But you're not making higher highs than your previous highs. Does look like almost, though, a descending triangle, doesn't it? No. More symmetrical, I guess. Yeah. Guess you have the touch points for it now. Oh, these stupid wicks, man. Seriously. Alright. Lines up pretty perfect, dude. Wow. That's insane, dude. There you go, man. A lot of price contraction, whatever. On Vivix. Price contraction. Impulse up. Symmetrical triangle. Be a very large measure move. Okay. Very, very large measure move. I think probably one of the best ways you could look at Vivix is if we truly did break out, like for real, broke to the upside here, you could be seeing something much more significant. Or we could run between 33.73 sats and 46.67 sats, right? If Vivix continued this uptrend, all right, for a long time, and truly could break out because it is not broken out. Just now starting to maybe break out, but on very low volume, okay? If this was a swing trade, man, if you were going to swing trade it, sure, this is the way it would look, man. I need more of this coffee, man. What's up, James Farina, man? Thanks for being here, dude. Seriously. I could just, what is it? What did Rimlog do? Did he snort Irwin coffee beans? No, he chugged. He took a shot of Irwin coffee beans on stream. So, I could do that. No balloons, Matt Shepard, man. But dude, come on. We have this, man. Okay. We have so much celebration, dude. Can you believe this stream? I mean, who can't? Is this not enough? Are you not entertained with celebratory stuff, Mr. Shafferman? We don't have to have balloons. We can have falling hearts. All right, it's beautiful because we love Bitcoin. Oh, excuse me. What's up, Derek Hamblin? The only real volume in Vivix is buys. It's nuts. Yeah, you're getting the spikes, and then when you break down, you're making higher lows than your previous lows. So you got a triangle going on. But remember, if this was to truly break out, and this was the big midterms, this is the swing trade. This is how you do it, and it takes lots of time. This is where you would run if you were to make a common, proper retrace. Once you hit that 382, all bets are off. It could break down. God, I know this is completely obnoxious on the party, okay? I'm just gonna throw that on when I'm not charting.
Mitch. I've been in the shadows these days 'cause so short on time, but always here listening and learning and loving the TA. I have a Halloween surprise for you tomorrow. My costume? I'll send tomorrow. All I can say is respect the TA with Kelly Ray. XO.
Alright, Kelly Ray, thanks for the $5 contributions. Kelly Ray from Derivatives. Thanks so much. Looking forward to it, Kelly. And everyone else, if you weren't in the day stream and you don't know, we created an IRL community tab. Alright? So if you want to post IRL pictures of you, and really this is going to be meant for Halloween tomorrow, but after that it'll be IRL stuff, or today. But Halloween, you post your Halloween costume and we'll just be looking through it and showing it up on the stream throughout the evening tomorrow. Because look what I've done. Look what I've done. Oh yeah. I got it set up. No more scuffed ghetto stuff for King Logan shots. All I have to do is hit a button and King Logan will be there, as well as anyone else that we want. Okay. Alright. Sweet man. Very cool. Vivix for you, man. Vivix. Sure thing, Dill 899, man. Thanks, James, man. Almost to chat. Festive AF. Zachary, man. Thank you, dude. Yo, I'm inspiration, man. What happened, Mr. Cantoma? You got doxxed, dude? About the cartel? What? Earth Y'all with the trees? Oh, yeah. Those trees are like my 4 strength, 4 stem, leather belt, rim log. Tell Earth Y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, we did it, man. We did it. You think if BNB volume were to climb roughly 10 or 50% faster than the rest? Maybe. Yeah, maybe, man. People put money into BNB. Level 18. Talked about the cartel. Oh my god. Yeah, man. Seriously. They're gonna dox you. They're not just gonna do things if they're mad at you, right? I'm trying to remember AMB, dude. I don't know last time what this crap. Ambrosia coin. Okay. Isn't ambrosia like that disgusting, that really, really disgusting fruit salad or something, dude? You know what I'm talking about. Double bottom. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, we hit the measure move. Boom, already. Dang. No, actually, we're very close. We just didn't quite hit it. Measure move, the double bottom was 967 sats, 3601 target. And very, very close, right? Very, very close. But hey, man, no big deal. We'll be doing the short term. We just talked about this little uptrend we're in, right? Just hit our standard parallel channel. What, another ascending broadening wedge or something, man? Really? We've been seeing those, dude. We've been seeing those things. Yep. Another ascending broadening wedge, man. You have just two diverging upsloping trend lines. Okay. Normally bearish patterns, those megaphones that you see. After a really nice uptrend, right? Very close to that target, okay? So you've got that upsloping support right around that 2720 area on AMB. You can clearly see that we're struggling and failing to break out of this, okay? This equidistant channel. Here, about 1, 2, and then 3 on the top side. That's it. Heartline respect. Looks beautiful, man. We got some, man. We got it. All right. That's 25% touch right here. Now, I'm sure there's probably some instance where we could maybe include everything. We could. Yeah. Beautiful wedge. What I'm talking about is just you could probably do something like this. Hardline respect, none of it, right? Do we want to include the great film? Ooh, kind of like this. We're trying to include everything, man, like the stuff that matters, right? But like, though we could have it like that, and it seems like we got support and resistance on the heart line, the 25. None on the 75, right? And so, how relative is it, right? How relative is this? And that's why I like these shorter term ones, right? These shorter term, including all the chop of the downtrend, right? You run up and you break down. We're including all that, right? So we get it like this. Okay. So none of that. We just have this, and it seems we're just right here. This is great to see if we can break that. Okay, this downtrend we've been in since May 5th, May 4th, right? So that's it, man. It's A and B. If we were to break out of this, you know the targets. You know, breaking out of any kind of downsloping channel, equidistant channel, you're looking for that 382 to 618. So that's the case, man. We'd be looking for targets between here we are, right? Simple stuff. 46.23 and 64.92 in between here. Okay, with the 50% being your most common retrace after a huge impulse down. A and B. Sweet. Whew. Thanks, Mr. Cantomo. I'm glad you liked the song. I didn't make it myself. Okay. Ambrosia. Oh yeah, Ambrosia. Do the late 99, man. Anyone else know what I was talking about with ambrosia? It sounds so gross. Coffee Crypto makes a lovely ambrosia salad. Gross. Oh my god, man. Yeah, I could never get into that stuff either. Ambrosia, man. Ugh. I wonder if Probst or Stuart like ambrosia. Do y'all like ambrosia? Because y'all aren't saying anything about it. We need to know. Derek doesn't do music. Do you not? How does one do music? Get that Trojan word out of here. What happened? What's he saying? All right. Jeff's triggered. That's it. Okay, so that's it, man. Your A and B. All right. Basic attention token. All right. Here we are, man. The downtrend, right? The downtrend where we broke to the upside, and once we were breaking this, we're on that hard line. So we broke out and swing out of swing low. We knew our common retrace zone between 382 and 618. Got to the high end of it, and then we crapped out, right? crapped out. We could not sustain prices above this 75% trend line that we had failed to break time and time again throughout. Okay, multiple times failure. Here we do the same thing here. All right, so we have the impulse up and we have this down sloping consolidation. All right, and we broke it, but no volume. We did have bullish divergence, so this is exactly what's supposed to happen, but you're making a lower high in your previous high and you got nothing going on. And we just said a measure move of this wedge would put us around 45.56 sats up here. We would expect our price to go up one more time, maybe double top, and then get wrecked afterwards. Okay, but yeah, man, impulse up, down sloping consolidation. You think we did a small measure move, and then it'd be done probably after that. So, but hey, it may not even make it there. You got to be happy though, man. Swing high to swing low. In a crypto market, you take it while you got it, man. The 382, 50%, 618, they're all common retrace levels. We hit it all the way to the 618, and here we are. We fell below the 50% while retracing. So, man, this is people taking profit for sure. Yeah. Look, man, you ran up here with the triple MACD bearish divergence and the RSI bearish divergence at the end before we started moving down. So we'll see if we can make that measure move 45.56 of this falling wedge. All right. Sweet. Kenny Stabler loves running through the mud, man. It's distraction. Have you ever heard the saying, don't play the radio? Oh, I can never play the radio because it's riddled with ads. Like 70% of radio now, FM radio, is advertising, okay? That's all it is. It's a joke. I hate listening to FM radio now. It does need to rest its wings, James. It does. All right, let's go do a WPR. What chart was I looking at? Hold on. Yeah, Binance, yeah. I want to do this. It shows up all this crazy stuff. Okay. Here we go, man. Look, dude. Remember this? The falling wedge? You're looking, here's your target, 1071, target 1, target 2 is 1267. You're in an uptrend, beautiful uptrend right now. Have that golden cross on the 23rd of September. All right. Okay, here's your uptrend going on right now. Okay, your falling wedge. You are just working your way up. If you are to respect this falling wedge, we could do a measure move if you want, man. I mean, we can. It's not a big deal. It's really, really high. Let's just use this. 649. Makes sense. 649 from the breakout. Here's your measure move in between the 382 and the 50%. Okay. That's it. It's good. Okay, so measure move of a wedge, 973, but you would expect us to see 1073, the 50% retrace, and as a primary target, and your secondary target being 1267. Okay, if you're scared, go with the measure move. If you're just gonna stick with the 50% retrace, go with 1071. Okay, that's it on WPR. Not so scrubby. This beautiful wedge breakout. Okay. What's up, Billy Langford, man? Good to see you, dude. Bradford, no, not really. We're not live anymore, no. Is Bitcoin having a birthday? Yes, it is. It's already hit on the East Coast, man. Okay. And in 16 minutes, it will be my time. Uh-oh. BNB card carrying member. Whoa. Step out of the way for Billy, man. Okay. Sweet. Thanks for the 138 people still here. Go to link. Another falling wedge, Kang. Still going, man. And talk about incredible, dude. This falling wedge, measure move of this falling wedge, believe it or not, is insane. It's up at 9,019, and we're at 7,278 right now. Hit that primary target, hit the secondary target. We're currently above that secondary target for now. Okay. Just be careful. Be very careful right now. Specifically because we don't have 5 touch points at all. You do have 2 converging upsloping trend lines, maybe? I don't know, man. Not really. Never mind. You don't. You don't. But you are showing bearish divergence. And MACD, bearish divergence. You're showing bearish divergence on both oscillators. Okay, just be careful in the situation because when you, I know you're in an uptrend right now, and this could just get disregarded, but not normally when you're at the top, the very tip top of these channels. This bearish divergence plays out really nicely. If you were in the middle or the bottom and showed bearish divergence, whatever, might be a different story. But dude, there you go. Be careful up here. We are super high in this crypto market right now. It's beautiful though, beautiful. You gotta love Link. It's been amazing. I think since August. Yeah. Oh no, July was our very bottom, and we broke out in early August, and it's been nothing but higher highs, higher lows ever since, man. Gotta love Link, man. Holy crap. We've analyzed like 14 charts tonight so far. Remember, hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the live stream. But numbers have just, you know, like they've been doing lately, they've just been getting slaughtered, falling off pretty hard. So we can look at Dent again for Mandy. I don't even know if she's here anymore, but I got to rechart all this crap. Okay, been a long time since I've looked at this. nice though. It's nice to see what's kind of happening right now. Okay, man. There you go. Just an uptrend right now. So I'm using the one wick here, not this wick, because this wick makes the most sense, because when I use this wick, I get multiple levels of respect on the heart line, 75%, 25, 25, and heart line, right? I get all that respect there. So that's what makes me think the market is interpreting it like that. But yeah, breaking the upside. But hey, while you're breaking the upside, what are you doing? Hey, that's okay. I mean, it could continue to go up, but the divergence is there. Okay, highs on price, higher highs on price, lower levels, positive momentum. You're breaking down, but this could be to the extent of how far you break down. I don't know, but like you're bouncing off that 25% trend line, and then you've got the golden cross that occurred on the 22nd of October. So just beginning to upslope. Okay. Swing out of swing low, you hit the 618. Also, that's a common reach. Like you impulse up and you break down, and then you've retraced 61.8% of the way at 48 sats. You've not gotten any higher than that, or the heart line. So you've got confluent resistance points right there that makes sense. Okay, why you would fail right there. Okay. Just continue just upsloping. Just stay above. The most important trend line is the bottom one at 36 sats. Don't fall below that, or the downtrend will continue. Okay. That's it. Okay, there's your dent. Pattern wise, no pattern, man. No pattern going on. Sorry. Oh, Tony Hill, don't come in with the ghost, scary, man. Sure thing, Philip, man. I am antsy. How are the charts? Meh. Meh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kelly Ray. You need to Photoshop the Tia Nitre, make it TA with Kelly Ray, right? On that top one. Ooh, getting windy outside, scary. I think there's rain coming. I think maybe it's on Thursday though. We could one day be Kangs, Cover Crypto. One day, man. One day. Alright, I got 8 minutes. No, 7 minutes now. Oh my god. Here we go, man. Bear pull, bear flag still going on, right? Meow. Okay, getting back to neutral on the MACD, and you're just now getting out of oversold territory, which is cool. Whatever.
Crypto Kai. Better look out for those tigers. Could you check Zuxi? Here are some
Vegas doesn't think we should look out for them, right? So, yeah, man, we can look at it real quick. We'll go to Zixi. Okay, I was just going back to home base because, you know, whatever. Do you remember how long I spent on this one, man? Yeah, man, broke that heart line, did we not? You know, man, but look what we're doing, making a lower high. I don't know, you know. You got nothing to say, man. There's nothing on the oscillators that are helping me besides you're pretty much overbought still, and you made the largest spike of positive momentum you've seen since literally ever. Okay, highest spike positive momentum ever on Zixi. Okay, man. Oh my god, you went from like oversold to overbought in like a week or something, man. Okay. But yeah, you're above this heart line, but we've seen that before, have we not? We've seen it multiple times before, being above that heart line. But dude, it's just been so difficult for you to sustain above it. Okay. But nice uptrend either way, all right? Very nice uptrend. Zixi, Zix Corporation, IT services and consulting, ended today up 5.86%. Beautiful, man, beautiful. There you go, Sid Barrett, man. Thanks for the 517 again, man. Okay. What do I think about tomorrow on this, man? It could very well just keep on pumping, man. I don't know. And this could very well have been a breakaway gap, but again, I don't know, man. Dude, we're at critical resistance points that we failed to break above every single time. So historically, from February of 2011, September of 2013, pretty much June 2015, and then November of 2015, and then June of 2017, here we are, and we're breaking it again, and we don't know, man. It's like history's saying no way. History's saying no way that we're breaking this for real. It's a high risk area. Your area to get in is down here, and your areas to go short are up here. That's just what it's saying, man, every time. And we're talking, this is not a joke, man. This is a daily time scale stemming back to 2010 right here, December 2010. All right. So history's telling us you're about to get wrecked. The downside, or you're going to sell off, could stay up there a little bit longer, maybe get a little higher or whatever, crap around for a while. And this time you break down. Every time you break down. Okay. That's all I can tell you, man. It seems just like an extremely high risk area to be going short based on history of this chart on Zixi. Okay. Moon Talk, right? Yeah, that's right. Moon Talk. Go, man. Oh, nice. It's now time for it. Your local on the 8th. Get it though, Billy man? Get it, high risk, low risk. Bit of Bitcoin on the daily. Why not? Here we are, man. Price contraction started becoming a thing in late June, where it accumulated Bitcoin over and over and over. It's just been making higher lows, but unfortunately, lower highs have continued on for most of the year. Your area, your critical support zone is between 58.35 and 6,083, okay? That's it. If we can break down and have a daily close around 6,100 on little volume, then we could have triple MACD bullish divergence in the daily. See, we're building that second negative histogram wick and can keep building whatever. As long as it's lower than this level, we'll have it. If we make lower lows on price, which could happen, right? So, this seems like we're setting up for lower prices. The bear flag. All right. So let's hit on your daily for Bitcoin, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm gonna do is get out of here. Thanks for the 128 people still tuned in, but gonna get some rest. Gonna get ready for tomorrow. Hopefully, you bring your costumes. We'll be kings tomorrow on Bitcoin's birthday. Okay, celebration. I think I'm just gonna have one long stream tomorrow, so stick around for that. And yeah. So happy Halloween to everyone. Happy Bitcoin Day, 10-year anniversary, birthday, whatever. Love it. We honor Bitcoin. All right. So we'll be back tomorrow. Till next time, respect the T. Hey.
So they clutching and they touching on me. Ooh, think it's vegetables. Ooh, think it's edible. Ooh, it's incredible. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I smell like fun. Number 99, section full of fine dimes. Bitches staring at me saying, wow. Unforgettable. Like that King Cole, Gucci berry wine. I'm thinking to yo, a one-man show, a human bankroll. She lost in the sauce, cause Gucci got the glow. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
Hey, Jermaine, thanks for the follow on Twitch, man. Jesus, man. Thanks, Jermaine, dude.
The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. Now watch me fly. Now watch me fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. I'm so fly, I don't need no flight attendant. Big Kubalate, don't need no pendant. I ain't never had no pot to piss in. Yeah, now all my records trend. Oh my, came from stealing bikes, flying on the G5. I don't know why I ain't smoking this cherry pie so much, but this my life. I'm on Adderall. I be smelling high tech when I piss, like it's basketball. I drop 50 pointer on my wrist. It's Lil' Kodak, take a pic. I came home and dropped the hit. All these diamonds got me sick. I'm acting spoiled. Cut it sitting high. I feel like I can fly. So first the duff is crazy. Feel like I can die. I done finally got my wings. It made me wanna sing. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell
super fly. I know I'm super fly.